Born of the Ice Age, shaped by time, from the Salpaus-Selica Ridge, formed over 10,000 years ago. Water filtered only by time and earth. From Lahti, Finland, home to some of the world's purest waters. Jaade is more than water. It carries the calm of untouched nature, a pure moment, wherever you are. Jaade flows with your wildest moments. Joy in motion, freedom in every drop. Toasting to every memorable moment. Some journeys are quiet, but never alone. Jaade is there to celebrate every climb and every little achievement in your life. A quiet celebration, essential for moments that matter and the memories that last. Jaade brings the joy of Nordic nature